If your iPhone is stuck on the text message screen and won't move away, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you some simple solutions to get your iPhone back to normal. Let's dive into the fixes. Solution 1. Force quit the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button to open the app switcher. Find the Messages app and swipe it up to close it. Reopen the Messages app and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and either volume up or volume down button. Depending on your model unit, the slider appears. After the device turns off, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. At this point, your problem will be solved. To avoid this problem in future, you can do the following. Solution 3. Remove unwanted file. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out Message. Here you can picture photos or other, which you can delete from here if you don't need them. Or you can directly open your Message app and hear all the unnecessary message to avoid this issue. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. That's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone being stuck on the text message screen. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.